Okay, hey everyone, I am Adi and everyone watching Adi and Java. Now we are 10K subscribers family and आज हमारे साथ है भूषण जिनको हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे कोर जावा एडवांस जावा के ऊपर एंड लेट्स सी वो उनका आंसर कैसे देते हैं। ओके, तो चलो पूरा वीडियो आपको बने रहना है, इस इंटरव्यू का मजा लेना है, आपको भी क्वेश्चंस आ सकता है। ओके, तो भूषण, हेलो भूषण, हाउ आर यू सब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल?
Yeah, fine, sir. How are you?
Yes, I am also fine, brother. Very, very good. Bhushan, can you tell me something about yourself? Where you from? What's your education background?
Yes, sir, absolutely. Good evening, sir. I'm Bhushan, and
Okay.
I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering from AIS School of Engineering and Management, which is located in Bangalore. And
Hmm?
I have completed three projects throughout my engineering journey. One was my internship project, which was my personal portfolio website, which was done using HTML and CSS. And my second project was finally a project, and the name is Face Segregation Management using Deep Learning and IoT. And for this project, I won a funding of 4,000 rupees from our Karnataka State Council for this implementation. And my third project is which was done during my full stack web development course, and the project is hotel management and reservation system using JDBC, MySQL, servlets, and JSP.
Okay. Have you done any project by using Spring and Spring Boot?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. But you know about some knowledge you have on
Yeah,
Spring Boot. Okay,
yeah.
fine. Good, good, Bhushan. Okay, I will ask some basic questions on core Java and advanced Java and Spring Boot. Okay, start with core Java. Bhushan, can you tell me first of all what is the difference in between core Java and advanced Java?
Sir, by making the main difference is by making use of core Java, we can develop console-based applications, and by making use of advanced Java like servlets, JSP, we can develop a web-based applications where there is an interaction between the client and as well as the server.
Okay, good. What is association in Java, Bhushan?
It's a loose coupling between the objects
Loose coupling in between the objects. How we can achieve association?
by making use of as a relationship.
As a relationship. Okay, in that any terms like composition, aggregation, you heard about?
Yeah, aggregation and composition are together called as association.
Okay, what about aggregation? What is the difference in between aggregation and composition?
Yeah, aggregation is called as loose coupling between the objects, and composition is called as tight coupling between the objects.
Got it, got it, got it. Good, good question. Let me ask some more questions. By using abstract class, can we achieve full abstraction in Java?
No, sir, because abstract class can contain both concrete methods also. In order to achieve complete abstraction, we have to make use of interfaces where we have only abstract methods present in it.
But
And by
Bhushan, if I only take only abstract methods in abstract class, then I can achieve full abstraction.
yeah, but if when we make use of concrete methods, then we cannot achieve complete abstraction.
Yes, yes, but if we want, we can achieve, right?
Yeah,
We can't take any concrete method, we can take only abstract method, we can achieve full abstraction, right?
yeah.
Okay. What is the anonymous object?
Which does not contain a particular name, and we make use of lambda expressions, functional
Okay.
interface in order to create an object.
And what about anonymous class?
Oh, sorry, sir, I'm not aware of it.
Okay, okay, no, fine, fine, fine. Bhushan, we know that we have a collection framework, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what is the exactly use of collection framework in real application or real world applications?
The main use is we can make use of wrapper class of, to store the objects by making use of collection framework.
Okay, okay. That is, if I want to store the different types of data, we can go for collection.
Yeah.
Inside collection, can you tell me some predefined classes names? You know that.
Yeah, mainly there are three different interfaces that comes under collections. The first is list, then set, then queue. And coming to list, the classes present in it are array list and linked list. And coming to set, we have three different classes. One is asset, linked asset, and three set. And map is a another interface which is not directly present in collections, but it is a part of collections. And the different classes present in map are hash map, linked hash map, and tree map.
Okay, okay, good. Bhushan, what is the use of nested catch block in exception handling? When we use
Instead,
nested catch block, yes.
uh, when we have written multiple like for example, when we have division by zero error and string null pointer exception written in same try catch block, we can handle those exception in the multiple catch blocks. A single try block associated with multiple catch blocks.
Okay, okay. You heard about exception called array store exception in Java?
Mm, no, sir. I have heard about array index out of bound exception and negative array exceptions.
Okay, please check out the array store exception is also in Java, and when it will be occur. Please remember,
Okay.
okay, that question and
Yes.
prepare yourself. Okay, no problem, Bhushan. Good. I will ask some more questions. Can you tell me some checked exceptions example?
Example, file not found error, then
Okay.
stack overflow error, SQL
No, that
exceptions.
is error. I am
Yeah,
talking
sorry.
about exception.
Yeah, sorry. SQL exceptions.
Okay. Then
Then class not found exceptions.
right. View exception,
This,
interrupted
yeah.
exception. Okay. Okay, no problem. Bhushan, my question to you, brother. Can you tell me how, or we can say, what is the difference between overloading and method overriding?
Yeah, like first of all, coming to what is overloading.
Hmm?
Overloading is a concept where we have two or more methods with same name but
Hmm?
different parameters present in the same class.
Right.
While coming to overriding means there will be one main class, which is the parent class,
Hmm?
and a sub child class which will inherit the parent class, and the method that is written in the parent class will be overridden to the child class by changing its implementation part. This
Yes.
is the
Right.
main difference between overloading and overriding.
What is covariant return type in overriding?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware about it.
No problem. Whatever questions you are not able to answer, please note down that, and
Yeah,
in next interview, please prepare that. Okay, because this is
okay.
just mock interview, and this will be uploaded on YouTube, etc. But your practice is very important, right? So
Yeah.
be aware of that questions. Very important questions. Okay. Okay. Fine, Bhushan. Mm, one questions I want to ask you another, that is, what is upcasting and downcasting in Java?
Uh, there are two different types of castings. Mainly implicit
No,
casting
no, no.
and
I'm not talking about typecasting, upcasting, and downcasting.
like loose coupling, right? Loose coupling
No,
and tight.
no, brother, no, brother. We can hold the child class object inside the parent class object reference.
Yeah, we'll create a parent class reference.
Yeah,
In order to achieve polymorphism, we make use of the
that is
concepts.
called upcasting.
Yeah,
When parent class reference hold the child class object, this is
yeah.
called upcasting. And what about downcasting?
We'll make use of the child class reference.
Yes, inside that we are typecast the child
Mm.
class object. Okay, it is called
Yeah,
down.
in order to access the specialized methods, we make use of this concept.
Yes, and to overcome the class cast exception, also we are going to use upcasting, downcasting. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, please prepare that. All guys who are seeing this interview in globally, right? Everyone seeing this interview. For your preparation, you need to prepare that questions which are I am going to ask here. Okay. Bhushan, good. Overall, good. You have knowledge enough, but need to some preparation. Also need some preparation. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Next question to you, brother. Can you tell me, mm, in Java, there is no multiple inheritance. Why? What is the
Yeah.
reason?
Because it leads to dimension problem because there'll be two parent class and one child class. It will be confused whether to inherit the first parent class or the second parent class. So in order to solve this problem, this concept is achieved in interfaces where we can extend multiple interfaces at the same
Okay.
time.
Okay. You know about why we create nested classes in Java? What is the reason that
To make a classes private.
me to make a
Classes private.
okay, that means nested class we can make private,
Yeah.
right? But I want exactly use. Let's see, we have class, right? Suppose class student. Inside that, I am making another class. Why? What is the reason behind that? Why we create nested classes? What advantage we will get?
Mhm. Sorry, sir, I'm not.
Okay, no problem. You know about nested interface?
Mm, no, sir.
Guys, prepare that questions also, because interviewer will be ask you definitely. Interviewer will ask any type of questions. You need to face that. Okay, so it is very very important. Okay, okay, no problem. How we can achieve encapsulation?
By making basically encapsulation refers to providing security to the data members, and in order to achieve this, we make use of setters and getters method. There'll be a class, and for example, there is an employee class, and the members are employee ID and employee name.
Hmm?
And those data members will be made as private. In order to access those, we make use of setters in order to set the values to those data members. And in order to get the values of those data members, we make use of getters method. And setters method is also called as a mutator. Means we
Okay.
can change the
Yes,
value.
yes, yes, got it. Okay, Bhushan, can you tell me how we can initialize final variable in Java? What is the best way to initialize final variable?
By making use of final keyword inside a class.
Yes, we can make that, but I want to initialize that. So I
Mm.
can initialize direct or any another way to initialize that variable. That's a good way.
Mm.
By using constructor, we can initialize that.
Yeah,
And when we create object, constructor automatically got
by
called,
make
and
constructor,
that
yeah.
variable also initialize, right? And we
Mm.
should be initialize final variable that cannot be only declared. Okay. Bhushan, what is static block and instance block? Are you heard about that?
Yeah, sir.
Tell me what is static block and what is instance block.
When basically static is a keyword that can be applied to methods, variables, and as well as a block. And in order to access the static variables or the static block or the static method, we can make use of the class name. In order to access the instance variables or the instance block, we have to create an instance for the class. By making use of the references, we'll access those members.
Okay, no problem. Can I access static variable inside instance method?
Yeah, sir. And static variable can be accessed both by instance variables, instance methods, and as well as constructors.
Okay, fine. When we create object, we are writing, let's suppose we have student class, student equal to new student. What is the role of this new keyword?
Uh, when we make use of new keyword, JVM will get activated and create a reference for that class.
Okay, okay, but actually, brother, JVM will allocate the memory. When we
Yeah.
use new keyword, then JVM will allocate the memory for your object. Okay,
Mhm.
it will get object created, and after that, it will allocate the memory in a heap area. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, fine, no problem. I will ask some more questions to you. Can we make private constructor in Java?
Yes, sir.
What will happen when we make private constructor?
It will be accessible only to that particular class.
Okay, we cannot access outside, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
And
okay,
the private constructors will not participate in inheritance.
okay, brother. Brother, can you tell me inside interface, can we take private variable?
Mm. Yeah.
We can take private variable.
Yes.
No, we cannot take private variable. All variables inside the interface that are by default public static final.
Yeah, public static.
Can we take private method? Have you heard about that?
Yeah, we can make use of default, private, and static, and this concept was provided after Java 8 version.
Yes, right. After the Java 8, we can. Okay, no problem. Can you tell me if I have a private method in interface, how I can access this method outside interface, or we can say in implemented class of that interface? How I can access that? Is there any access
Uh,
for a private method outside interface?
no,
Yes,
sir.
we can make
By
private method, right? So how I can
Yeah,
access this private method outside that class, outside that interface? Can I access?
by extending that interface, we will create a class, and for
Hmm?
that class, we'll create an object and access, and in that class, we'll provide the implementation for that method, and then by making use of the reference of the class, we'll call that.
Private method? Are you sure? Private method direct by using implemented class reference will accessible? No, you need to check, brother, how you can access private method of interface in outside that we implemented class and anywhere. Okay? Okay.
Yes,
Note down that point, brother. Okay, no
yes,
problem.
sir.
Can you create the object of interface?
No, sir.
No, we cannot create, right? We need to implement. Okay, fine. Few more questions on core Java, then move forward to the advanced Java. Okay, and
Yes,
we
sir.
will wind up that. Okay, no problem. Uh, Let me ask some questions on string. Okay, very important concept. String.
Yes, sir.
Uh, String is final class in Java.
No, sir.
No, string is a normal class. No,
Yeah,
no.
we can,
String is a final class. String is a
but we
final
can change the
class.
value.
We cannot extend the final class. You have extend final. You have extend string class. No, na.
No, no.
No, we can use that class. We can create the object of that class.
Yeah,
But if the class is final, we cannot extend. So string class is a final class in
final
Java.
class. Yeah,
Okay, no problem. Can you tell me uh, in Java for string there is something called SCP area, string constant pool. Why
yeah,
why
string
string
constant.
constant pool is implemented by Java?
Because in heap area, there are two types, constant pool and non-constant pool.
Okay,
And when coming to non-constant pool, we'll make use of the new keyword and create an object for the string. And when
okay.
coming to constant pool, we'll not make use of the new keyword, and duplicates are not allowed in the constant pool. And in case of non-constant pool, duplicates are allowed.
Yes, brother. Right answer. Okay, let's move forward to the some questions on advanced Java. You know about JDBC, you know about JSP Servlet,
Yeah,
Hibernate, Spring, and Spring Boot, right?
but I should revise topics on Hibernate and Spring, but up to JSP, I remember all the topics.
Okay, up to JSP. Okay, Hibernate and
Yeah,
Spring you need to remember, revise.
yeah.
But okay, I will ask just basic questions. Okay.
And one more thing, sir, we have not learned Hibernate, we have learned only Spring, and only one framework was taught for us.
Okay, only Spring. Spring Boot not started.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. I will ask some questions. JSP on Servlet. Okay.
Yeah.
What is JSP?
JSP stands for Java Server Page,
Hmm?
and it is a server-side technology where Java code is embedded inside HTML.
Inside HTML. What advantage we will get when we use JSP?
Sir, basically, client can interact with the servers where he can provide the input and get the output from the browsers.
Okay. And what about Servlet?
Servlet also, sir, but there will be we'll interact with the server, but user will not directly be interacting with it.
Okay, 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 fine. Uh, why Java implements Spring Framework? Any reason? What
Mhm.
advantage we will get, and what disadvantage it will overcome?
Like for maintaining code reusability, we make use of
Okay,
Spring Framework.
Okay.
And in order to reduce the complexity of the code, we make use of Spring Framework.
Yes, brother. Right answer. Okay. So prepare Spring Hibernate, JSP Solid, and Spring Boot. Okay, we will take another interview too with you. Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
Bhushan. तो गाइज देखा आपने भूषण ने आंसर कैसे दिए। ओके, आपको समझा, मतलब आपको हिंदी अच्छा समझता है, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश, हिंदी। ओके, तो आपको भी जो भी क्वेश्चंस मैंने पूछे थे उसको प्रिपेयर करना है। एंड एडवांस जावा के ऊपर इनका हम अलग से इंटरव्यू लेंगे, जिनमें हम कुछ जेएसपी के, कुछ सर्वलेट के, कुछ स्प्रिंग बूट के क्वेश्चन इनको पूछेंगे। लेट्स सी आंसर कैसे देते हैं। ओके, इनको प्रिपरेशन के लिए थोड़ा टाइम देते हैं। ओके भूषण, वी विल टेक योर इंटरव्यू, मॉक इंटरव्यू on advanced Java in next week. It is possible?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, we will take that. Okay. So guys, if you want to also give the interview, give the mock interview with me, let's connect. मेरे साथ कनेक्ट कीजिए, मेरा नंबर यहाँ पे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको दिख जाएगा, वहां से मुझे मैसेज कीजिए। आई विल टेक मॉक इंटरव्यू फॉर यू। ओके, और वो इंटरव्यू आपका यूट्यूब पे अपलोड हो जाएगा जैसे इनका हुआ है। ठीक है, तो वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, वीडियो को लाइक करो एंड शेयर कर दो इस मॉक इंटरव्यू को आपके सारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ जिन्हें कुछ चीज का फायदा हो जाए। ओके भूषण, चलो मिलते हैं हम। सी यू
Yeah,
ब्रदर।
sir.
Yes, thank
Thank
you,
you.
Bhushan, for joining. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.